Seaside Arena Cebu. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's have a quick update on the ongoing construction of the Seaside Arena in Cebu as of second week of December 2023. Just sit back and relax while watching this video. The Seaside Arena Cebu. The arena is rising fast. This is the latest update on the ongoing construction of the said arena. The South Coast City. Alright. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.